So today we will be doing a really cool project, and we are making elephant toothpaste. We're making toothpaste for big, ginormous elephants. So stay tuned and let's find out what we need. The first thing you'll need is hydrogen peroxide, dish soap, lots of measuring cups, food coloring of your favorite color, a spoon, a nice cylinder, some dry yeast, and a funnel. Warm water, and a large tray. So the first thing you'll need to do is you'll need to get your tray right here in the center of your table with your cylinder inside your tray so nothing gets on anything, okay? Then the second thing you'll want to do is you'll want to take your measuring cup, and we're taking a half a cup, okay? And we're going to pour our hydrogen peroxide in first. The next thing you'll do is you'll want to take your funnel and put it right on top of your cylinder, and then we're going to pour our hydrogen peroxide in our cylinder. Good job. So then you'll take out your funnel, and while we're waiting to do our next step, we're going to go ahead and I pre-prepped 3 tablespoons of warm water in here, and so we're going to take this, put it here for you, and we're gonna measure 1.5 teaspoons of active dry yeast, okay? Once you have all of your dry yeast poured into your warm water, you're gonna wanna take your spoon and just mix it around lightly, and it'll set while you put in the rest of your ingredients, okay? Once you're done mixing that, you're gonna wanna put it over to the side and bring your tray back center. And you're gonna take 1 tablespoon of regular dish soap, okay? Make sure you put your funnel back in, and we're gonna get ready to pour. And then you'll just take your funnel out. And you'll want to give it a good mix, okay? Just swirl it around. Good job. The next thing you'll want to do is take any color food coloring you like, and we're going to do blue today. You just drop a few drops in there, and then down the sides, because we gotta make sure it looks exactly like toothpaste, okay? So you'll do it right down the sides, give it those nice stripes. All right. Okay, you'll get your dry yeast that's in your warm water. Now for this part, make sure you have your mom or dad or anybody that's old enough to helping you with this, because it can get kind of hot, okay? So you're gonna put your funnel back in and make sure it's really good and mixed up. And then we watch it grow. Here it comes. Elephant toothpaste, guys. And it's still coming. And it's still coming. That must be one really big elephant. Oh my goodness. Well, this just calls for one more thing. You can't have toothpaste without a toothbrush. And if you're doing elephant toothpaste, they have some really big teeth. So what you'll do is you'll take your toothbrush and you'll get all your toothpaste on it. Make sure it's all sudsy and foamy. And then if you're an elephant, you know what to do next. For more crazy crafts, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell to know when a new crazy craft is up. To watch this entire episode, make sure to click the link below, and remember, even though you are small, you are still powerful. We love you, boys and girls, and we'll see you next time on Destiny Kids.